How to remove minimum age restrictions on Instagram. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to the video. And on today's video, I will guide you how to remove minimum age restrictions on Instagram. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the Instagram application in your mobile device. So to remove the minimum age restrictions, you should have the professional account. So after that, once you're on your home page, navigate to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile, tap on the three-line icon at the top right corner. Here, scroll down a bit and tap on Creator Tools and Controls. Once you're here, go to the minimum age option. And here you will find your minimum age restrictions that you have added in your account. To remove it, tap on the remove button next to this age restrictions, then tap on the tick mark at the top right, and with that the minimum age restrictions on your account will be removed. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.